about hard times that COVID's created for the startup economy overall, but to see everybody here, to see it packed like it was back in 2018 and 2019, is just inspirational that Austin and the startup community is going strong.
Connecting with people. One other part is really meeting people that I've never met in person before.
So far, it's been a ton of people stop and check out our soap product. I think we're maybe the only hand soap in the whole place. So I guess a surprise and kind of how much we're standing out of the pack a little bit has been pretty cool.
I think it's great all over. I didn't get a chance to explore the upstairs thing yet because I was at the booth, but there's been a continuous flow of people coming since the beginning, so that's been great.
I've been meeting a few people that I've seen their companies around Austin and wanting to meet a face behind that company, so I've already gotten that down within the first 15 minutes of being here.
Just being around everyone, it's been such a tough 2 years, and so it's been really nice to see people in person. This has been a great event, and the amount of leads and the amount of face-to-face interaction that you get is just unparalleled.